Hey everyone, welcome back to the world's trending pulse, your go-to channel for inspiration, motivation, and all the trending topics that keep you moving forward. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Today we're talking about something that's absolutely crucial for anyone looking to achieve their goals: discipline. You've probably heard the saying, don't wait for motivation, cultivate discipline instead. Well, that's what we're diving into today. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools you need to build discipline and stop relying on fleeting motivation. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about why waiting for motivation doesn't work. Motivation is great when it's there, but it's unreliable. Some days you're pumped and ready to take on the world, and other days you can barely get out of bed. That's where discipline comes in. Discipline is the ability to do what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like it. Unlike motivation, discipline isn't dependent on how you feel at any given moment. It's about making consistent choices that align with your goals. So how do you cultivate discipline? It starts with small, consistent actions. Think of discipline like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Start with one simple habit. Maybe it's making your bed every morning or setting aside 10 minutes for a daily walk. The key is consistency. Another key to building discipline is removing temptation. If you're trying to eat healthier, don't keep junk food in the house. If you want to focus on your work, turn off your phone notifications. Create an environment that makes it easier to stay disciplined. Remember, willpower is a limited resource, so set yourself up for success by reducing the need to constantly resist temptation. Next, let's talk about setting clear, achievable goals. Discipline thrives on clarity. When you know exactly what you're working towards, it's easier to stay committed. Break your goals down into smaller, actionable steps, and focus on completing them one at a time. Each small victory builds momentum and reinforces your discipline. Here's another tip. Use routines to your advantage. Routines remove the decision-making process and make discipline automatic. If you know that you're going to the gym every day at 7 a.m., there's no room for debate. The more you build routines around your goals, the less you'll need to rely on motivation to get things done. Personally, I've found that having a set routine has been a game changer for me. It just makes everything flow so much easier. Finally, let's talk about the power of accountability. When you share your goals with someone else or track your progress publicly, you're much more likely to stay disciplined. Whether it's a friend, a coach, or even an app, find a way to hold yourself accountable. It's amazing how much discipline you can build when you know someone else is rooting for you or watching to see if you follow through. So, just to wrap up the main points, routines and accountability are your best friends when it comes to building discipline. Trust me, it's worth giving it a shot. At the end of the day, discipline is about taking control of your actions. It's about deciding that your goals are worth the effort, even when motivation is nowhere to be found. And the best part, the more disciplined you become, the less you'll need motivation to get things done. You'll just do it, because it's who you are. So, are you ready to stop waiting for motivation and start cultivating discipline? Remember, small steps lead to big changes. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the world's trending pulse for more content that helps you stay focused, disciplined, and always moving forward. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.